Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Got a chance to review the brand new smart card from KeySmart. So this is Tile, but the Android version of the Android Find My or the Find, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this because I have Tile, but Tile only works with other Tile because you have other Tile users, and that base is not as big as it used to be. And this guy for $40 uses the Google Find My hub. And then it actually will wirelessly charge. So I don't have to pay like a $16 battery every 6 months or whatever. And this wirelessly charges. So I'm kind of cool that keeps it super small. So let's take a look at what do you get in the box. And I don't have my little knives and stuff here to cut that open. Let's just see. What do we get in the box? Press to pair. That's it. Some instruction manuals, how to set it up. You wirelessly charge it up by putting on a QI charger, so something like that. I think makes sense there. All right. Okay. Well, I'll review this. $39 American, or we're running at $55 Canadian. This is going to be a nice addition that I can just put in my wallet and not have to worry about it. This is, look how thin that is. That is awesomely going to fit in the wallet. Okay. Well, thanks everybody. I'll have a review up shortly. Thanks.